Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we are testing a very crucial resistance point here with our exponential moving averages pushing down. For those of you in the Telegram channel, you guys already knew yesterday that we were looking for that retest opportunity. Now I want to go ahead and explain exactly what is happening on Ethereum. A lot of you guys are confused with the fact that we aren't really seeing much volume, and we are pretty much consolidating after a very large move set. For those of you that have been watching my channel for a very long time, you guys already know every time we tend to see a massive dump opportunity, volume starts to die, we start to consolidate, and then it creates another wave towards the downside. Right now, all eyes remain on the 1518 support level. As you guys already know, this support level, of course, looking at previous price analysis, we ended up seeing a massive dump opportunity as soon as we broke below this level, not just in the FTX situation, of course, but if you look from previous price as well, we saw the same exact situation happen once again. This is why I currently am looking for a bearish case scenario to play out on Ethereum, because of the fact that when you zoom out on the chart here, you'll notice that Ethereum had a massive run up from all the way up here at 1278. We saw a very nice consolidation zone. The bulls tried to break above 1658 and immediately failed. You guys already know our goal was to use this level as support for a possible 1787 level retest. Since we failed to hold above that level, we started to use the 1658 as resistance, and as of right now, we are starting to create this move set towards the downside. Our leading indicator, of course, is our exponential moving averages, and you can see that they are starting to push lower and lower, and this is exactly why I told you guys to pay very close attention to seeing how this range plays out. Now, of course, in terms of a bullish case scenario, we could be looking at an inverse BART formation to play out, but in my opinion, this is very unlikely because we have been in this range so many times, as well as the fact that if the bulls wanted to take control of these levels, we would have ended up holding above 1612 right over here. You can see that we saw this sort of fake out opportunity, and then we saw this continuation, but this was our indicator right here, knowing that the bearish volume was, of course, going to come in when we saw 3 rejection wicks on 1658 without a clear plan moving forward. Now, in terms of the hourly time frame, you can see, of course, that Ethereum is pretty much dead in terms of volume. We are trading on weekend manipulation, so I'm not really expecting too much to happen here as of right now. But you guys can see in terms of that inverse BART formation, it does look like it could definitely play out. But, of course, you guys know that I am looking for that continuation to 1518 because of the fact that this support level is going to be acting as a very strong magnet. You can see even here in terms of the daily time frame, this price range has become extremely choppy. We saw multiple wick opportunities to around the 1560 level as well as the 1658, but this range is still being used, of course, as a bearish case since we ended up breaking below our exponential moving averages. Our argument remains that when Ethereum was having this beautiful rally from all the way up here at 1278, I mentioned to you guys that we are using our exponential moving averages as support, so there's absolutely no reason to be looking for shorting opportunities. Now we are using them as resistance, so this is why I'm leaning towards a more bearish case scenario to play out on Ethereum overall. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.